Welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to plant spearmint mint. For whatever reason, I have never been successful with planting spearmint. It is January and I want to give it a try. Every year, it seems like every year I give it a try, but I'm excited to give it a try this year. And I'm actually going to use a kit that I purchased from Amazon. I will leave the information below. And I actually have been loving these little kits with the lights. So I'm really excited to get this started. This is the container. So it has 12 cells. And these seeds are really small, so about 3 to 4 seeds per cell. And I know some people, they actually really dislike having mint everywhere, but I heard that it's actually a rodent repellent, like a natural way. So I would love to have an abundance of it, and I actually do like the taste of fresh mint, and then I can also use it for teas. So that is something that I'm really excited about. I have some pre-mixed soil, so I'm going to get started with that. The soil is actually moistened already, but I am going to add some more water to the bottom of the tray. And this is just cocoa coir. I'll list what's the potting, the seed starting mix, but you could just use cocoa mix. Having a little bit of a brain fart. I can't think of what it's called, but I'll list everything that I'm using. I know some people just prefer, I've tried pretty much everything, guys. I'm just gonna be honest. And this is the seed mix that I've been using so far with my seeds, and they have been doing well. My starters, my seedlings. So I'm excited, and I'm just using what works, but you could just use cocoa coir. You don't necessarily need to mix in other things with it. Just using what's working for me. And you don't really want to press in the soil. You just kind of want to have it not super loose, but this is what I'm doing. This is what's working for me. But I do have some more water that I want to add to this. I'm going to add it to the bottom. This is something that I like about this tray. But this is going to be kind of an experiment. Will this be my successful growing season? So we are going to do about 3 to 4. We kind of just have to, this is about 3 to 4 each cell. Because I do want to transplant this into just different containers. Some cells may definitely be getting more than 3. It's you can kind of count with it in your fingers, but they're just so small. So I'm kind of just gonna get all that in there. Now, the magic. This actually came with the kit. You don't want to, it's coming up with it. You just kind of want to cover it, but not too much. So just tapping And then you can see it. I'm not sure if you can. I'm going to zoom in. See the seeds a little bit better. When you zoom in, you can see them a lot better. So you really don't want to bury them per se. You just want to kind of like scratch them in or push them in. I like to kind of just get so I'm just going to kind of like and by no means am I a garden expert. This is just what I'm doing, and we shall see. You just kind of want to scratch them in. And they're yellow, so it's just like kind of just scratching them in place. Just looking for the this would be really interesting to see. So I'm excited. Definitely excited to see about this. And you want to try to make sure that nothing is left, like none of the seeds. But they're just small dots, so should be fine. I already have my lid ready. This is the lid that I'm using, and then I'm going to place it inside of my grow tent, and then I'm also going to have the lights on as well. If you guys want to update on this, let me know. I'm excited. I've never, you know, me and Mint have been struggling. So this will be interesting, and thank you guys so much for checking out this video. If you have grown mint in the past, I know some people it's like abundant. But if you've grown mint in the past, please let me know. Let me know your tips, your tricks, your thoughts on growing it. And I'll chat with you guys in the next one.